In this tutorial, we will learn how to open and save an attached file. We will also learn how to organize content. Now, to open an attached file, go to File menu. Point to Open. Click on selected items. Now, to open this attached file, double-click on it. You can also open the attached file by selecting the file, right-click on it, click on Open. You can see the attached file. Now, to download the attached file, select the message. Go to File menu. Point to Save Attachment. Click on the file name. Select a destination for saving the file. Click on Save. This is how you can save an attached file to your computer. Now we will learn how to organize content with folders. To move a message to a different folder, select the message. Right-click on it. Click on Move to Folder. Select the folder where you want to move this message. Click on OK. You can see you have successfully moved an item to the designated folder. You can also create a new folder to organize your file. To create a new folder, go to New on the standard toolbar. Click on Folder. Type the folder name here. Select where you want to place the folder. Click on OK. This will add your created folder to the list. You can move any item to your created folder. Select a message, right-click on it, click on Move to Folder. Select My Folder, click on OK. This will move the message to your created folder. Select My Folder, click on OK. So this is how you can organize content within folders. How to flag a message. Flag is basically a visual reminder which helps you to follow up an item. Suppose you want to flag a message. Select the message. To follow up an item, go to Actions menu. Point to Follow up. By default, Microsoft Outlook include flags with dates such as today, tomorrow, this week, next week. Custom. You can select the custom date. You can also add a flag with a reminder. You can also set quick click option. With quick click, you can assign flags to item with single click. You can also flag an item by selecting it and clicking the follow up icon on the standards bar. You can see you have flagged an item. Flags for messages appear in the email view. Flagged item also appears in the to-do bar list. Now we will learn how to assign flag to items with single click. For this, go to Actions menu. Point to Follow up. click on Set Quick Click. Select the type of flag you want to assign to an item. Click on OK. Now, you can assign this flag with just a single click. To add a flag with a reminder, go to Actions menu. Point to follow up. Click on Add Reminder. Select the date and time and then click on OK. This will add a flag with a reminder. To mark flagged item as complete, go to Actions menu, point to follow up, click here. To clear a flag, select the message, go to Actions menu, point to follow up, click on Clear Flag. You can also remove a flag by selecting the message, right click on the flag icon, click on Clear Flag. You have learned how to flag an item in Microsoft Outlook. We will learn how to create a new contact. To create a contact, go to File menu, point to New, click on Contact. Fill the details of the person you want to add to your contacts. After filling the details, select Contact tab. Under the Actions group, click on Save and New. You have added a new contact. To see the list of your contacts, click here. To add a new contact, double-click here. Fill the details of the person you want to add to your contacts. After filling the details, click on Save and New under the Actions group in the Contact tab. You can see you have successfully added a new contact to your Outlook profile. Currently, you are viewing your contacts as business card. To change the current view, click here. You can select address card, detail address card, phone list. You can also sort your contacts by category, company, location, and Outlook data files. You can also search the contacts in the search box. Say you want to search for Rowan. Type here. You can search the contacts from the search box. Say for example, you want to search for Dhawan. The contact search results will be shown below. This is how you can search a contact. You have learned how to create a new contact in Microsoft. We will learn how to schedule an appointment and how to edit appointments. To start, go to File menu. Point to New. Click on Appointment. To schedule an appointment, write the subject, type the location, select the start and end time. You can also create a day event by selecting this box. To change the reminder time, select appointment. Under the options group, you can change the reminder time. To make an appointment recur, select appointment tab. Under the options group, click on recurrence. This will open appointment recurrence window. Select the appointment time, select the recurrence pattern, select the range of recurrence. Click on OK. Your appointment will recur as per the given schedule. You can also mark this appointment as private to hide the details from other people. You can also select the priority level. To schedule this appointment, click on Save and Close under the Actions group of Recurring Appointment. You have successfully scheduled an appointment. You can see the list of appointments in the To Do bar. To edit an appointment, select it. In case of recurring appointment, if you want to open the series of all the appointment, select Open the series and click on OK. This will open the series of all the appointment. You can check the list of all the appointments by clicking on Scheduling. To edit an appointment, edit the details and then click on Save and Close. To remove recurrence from the appointment, select Recurrence under the Options group. Click on Remove Recurrence in the Appointment Recurrence dialog box. To clear a reminder, go to Tools menu. Click on Options. This will open Options dialog box. Select Preferences. Under Calendar, uncheck the default reminder box. This will clear the reminder. Click on Apply and then click on OK. To delete an appointment, select the appointment, right click on it, click on Delete. This is how you can delete an appointment. We'll learn how to schedule an appointment and how to organize meeting. To start, select Calendar. Now, to schedule an appointment or to add an appointment, select the date. Now, select the time of the meeting, say 11 AM. Double click here. Fill the details. Select the time. You can also create a day event by checking this box. Now we will learn how to create a group in a calendar. To add a new group to the calendar, click on Add New Group in the navigation window. Type the name. You can now add people to this group from your contacts. Now we will learn how to create a new calendar. To create a new calendar, click on New on the standard bar. Click on Calendar. Name the calendar. Select the destination where you want to place this calendar and then click on OK. You can see you have successfully created a new calendar. Now we will learn how to send a calendar. To send a calendar, click here. Select the calendar which you want to send. Select the date range. Suppose you want to send the whole calendar. Click here. You can also send the calendar for specified dates. Click on OK. Click Yes. Click on Continue. This will add your calendar as an attached file in your message. Write the name of the recipient you want to send this calendar to. Click on Send. This is how you can send a calendar via email. You have successfully learned how to create a calendar and how to organize meeting in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.